Somewhere beneath this peaceful surface lies the deepest point on our entire planet, the Mariana Trench, 7 miles straight down, a place so deep that sunlight has never touched its floor. Located near the island of Guam in the western Pacific, this geological scar cuts deeper than anything on Earth. Fewer humans have reached the Challenger Deep than have walked on the moon. The descent begins. The pressure increases with every meter deeper, the ocean's weight crushing down. At 500 meters, sunlight begins to fade. Below this, the ocean becomes a place of permanent twilight. The creatures here have adapted to darkness. Many produce their own light, a language written in bioluminescence. This jellyfish produces light from special organs. Each pulse is a communication, a signal in the abyss. Here, in the midnight zone, thousands of species have never been seen by human eyes until now. At 2 kilometers down, the pressure is 200 times greater than the surface. Most creatures are being crushed instantly. What we call marine snow, the constant rain of organic material from above, sustains the deepest life. It is the only food source for creatures that dwell here. Every speck matters. Nothing is wasted. Meet the giant isopod. This creature is a scavenger, a bottom feeder in a desert of starvation. We are now in the abyssal zone. The pressure is equivalent to having 50 jumbo jets stacked on your head. The deepest creatures have become small, slow, and patient. Energy is precious here. Every movement is calculated. For thousands of years, this plane has not changed. Here, time itself seems to stop. We are now deeper than Everest is tall. We are approaching the limit of human exploration. The walls of this trench are Earth's geological memory, layers of plate collisions stretching back millions of years. At this depth, even fish are becoming transparent. Evolution has stripped away everything unnecessary for survival. 1,000 meters to go. We are about to reach the deepest point humans have ever explored. The Challenger Deep opens before us, a chasm so vast that mountains could hide within it. At this depth, the pressure is so great that water itself becomes denser than anywhere else on Earth. The numbers climb: 8,000 meters, 8,500, 9,000. We are almost there. Even here, at the threshold of survivability, life persists. This amphipod is a scavenger. It lives for the rain from above. Some creatures here produce light as a language we are only beginning to understand. At 9,500 meters, we are entering completely unexplored territory. Very few humans have ever been this deep. The Hadal snailfish, the deepest living vertebrate on Earth. This creature has no known predators. Our instruments reach out into the unknown. We will take measurements, collect samples, document what we find. At this depth, there is no sunlight for photosynthesis. Instead, life draws energy from chemicals in the rocks. 10,000 meters. We have reached depths that fewer humans have visited than have walked on the moon. This is the floor of the Challenger Deep, the lowest point in all the world's oceans, the deepest anywhere on Earth. Even here, life leaves its mark. These trails tell us that creatures move through this darkness, hunting and feeding. Life at the bottom. A creature perfectly adapted to an environment that would kill most organisms instantly. This fragment has traveled from the sunlit surface to the deepest darkness. It took months to fall this far. We collect samples here. Each grain of sand, each organism tells a story about life at the limit. Here we are. Humanity's reach extends to the very bottom of the world. This moment has taken decades to achieve. To the creatures here, we are an anomaly, an intrusion into their world that has remained untouched for millennia. 10,994 meters. This is the deepest point on Earth's surface. We have reached the absolute bottom. Our time at the bottom is limited. We must return. But this journey has changed how we understand our world. We begin the journey home. But the mystery remains. The deepest places on Earth still hold secrets we have yet to uncover.